In today's video, I'll show you how to downgrade your ConvertKit plan quickly and easily, whether you're optimizing costs or adjusting your account usage. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to convertkit.com. Log in using your credentials or sign up if you're new. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll need to contact ConvertKit support team directly to request a downgrade, as plan changes are handled manually. To do this, send an email to help@kit.com and clearly state which plan you would like to switch to. Providing specific details will help their team process your request faster. Once your downgrade is processed, you may receive a prorated refund for any unused time on your current plan, meaning you'll only pay for what you actually use. Keep in mind, downgrading or cancelling your plan does not delete your ConvertKit account. If you want to fully delete your account, go to Settings, then select Account and Billing, then choose My Plan, and finally click on Delete My Kit account. This step is permanent, so only proceed if you are sure. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to downgrade your ConvertKit plan. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help.